Hello, guys. Tired of typing the same meeting notes or journal entries every day? Let's create a reusable template in Logseq right now. First, we need to create a page that will hold our template. I'll use the search bar to create a new page called template/meeting note. Using a template's namespace is a good habit to keep them all organized. Now, on this new blank page, we design our template. I want my meeting notes to have a section for attendees, the agenda, and action items, so I'll just type those out as bullet points. This final step is the most important part. On the very last line of your template, you have to tell Logseq that this block is a template. Type template : and then give your template a name. I'll call it meeting note. This is the name that will show up in the menu later. That's it. Our template is now complete and registered with Logseq. Now for the payoff. Let's go to today's daily note page where I want to add my meeting notes. I just type the command / and start typing template. There it is. My meeting note template is in the list. I click it, and boom. The entire structure is inserted instantly, ready for me to fill out. No more repetitive typing. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.